These have to be the easiest crossbars to install. To install the crossbars on the Chevy Equinox or GMC Terrain, you don't need any tools. On each side of the crossbar, there's a lever you're going to lift up that's going to pull in the lock here, as you see. On the rear of the crossbar, it'll give you an indication, LH for the left hand and RF for the right hand. There are arrows also on the front of the crossbar here, letting you know that you're going to install these forward like this. Let's jump on top of the vehicle and I'll show you how easy it is to install them. To install the crossrail into the roof rack, you're going to start by removing the cover here. There is a cover on both sides. Now that you have the covers removed on both sides of the roof rack, you're going to lift up the cover on the crossrail, insert it on the first side, also insert it on the opposite side. You'll feed it into the rail and slowly work it forward. Now that you've got the first rail in place, you will insert the second one in the same order. On the side of the roof rack, there's 3 sets of arrows indicating where the crossrail will lock into place. Now that you've installed both crossrails, you'll resecure the side clips. And just like that, installing your crossrails on the Chevy Equinox or GMC Terrain is just that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe.